Dear friends, this is Dr. Parviz with you one more time. I've decided to clarify some of my work in a message to you. In my medical practice, I do not treat diseases. I try to help people become healthier. It's a different approach. And in order for people to become healthier, first of all, they have to be more responsible for their own health. Second of all, they have to follow the information. And when you want to make people healthier, it means we have to focus not only on the physical function of the body, but also on the emotions, on the feelings, on the mind, the thoughts, the belief, on the traumas, on the issues of the past or future, and a lot more. So as you can see, the improvement in the quality of health doesn't mean necessarily treating a disease. That's why in my medical practice, I have a very wide range of issues coming to me. Some people have sickness, some people they don't, they just want to be better. Some people have irreversible diseases, or some people come here just to prevent something which has happened to them frequently or recently, and they need to change the condition. When we talk about treating incurable diseases, let's say chronic diseases, the source of these diseases most of the time is not in the body. The body manifests things. If you believe you are loved or not loved, you will have a completely different outcome of life in future. So the fundamental belief is really important. If a child is told, you are not good, you couldn't do this, you can't jump, they believe in it. So the parents affect their children by the way they talk, the way they behave, because children are mirroring the parents, and we parents, we create the boundaries around them, especially from the moment of birth until the age 6, 7, 8, something like that. So I help people with chronic diseases based on the vibrations. My quantum system allows me to check the signals that are emitted from a person. Those signals include matter-based signals, like when ions and particles are moving, or non-matter-based signals, magnetic fields that are created based on our feeling, our emotion, our perception. This is the key to understand what signals are emitted from the person, so you can modify or change it. My treatments could be suitable to anybody from infancy to adults or to geriatrics, the elderly. It doesn't matter what you have done or not done. There is always room for improvement. We don't claim for any cure, but the success, the rate of success we have is pretty high. I get my patients through word of mouth 98% of the time, and that's a good approval that my work is effective on helping people. We have a special clinic in helping people with chronic pain, whether it is pain in the body or in the energy system of the body, which is called a blockage. Whether the pain is psychological or physical, doesn't matter. There is a reason for that, and we are good in understanding the reason of it. And we help people. We give free consultation for our pain management techniques, so that we understand people properly in the beginning, to make sure that we can help them, or they hear us properly to know that if we are the right people for them to help them. We have a special treatment for chronic diseases, including autoimmune diseases or even cancer. In our world today, it is inevitable to stay away from all these issues, because apparently cancer has become the second largest reasons for the human death today. And if you look at our industry for the last 300 or 350 years, the smoke, the pollution, the chemical which has been produced and released in the environment, you will understand that this is not the right place to live. The antigens that are introduced to our environment are constantly challenging our body, and we get stuck sooner or later. Through special tests, we can speculate the presence of cancer or problems way before any tumor could happen, to a great extent. Or we can help the ones who are diagnosed with something in them in a way that the cancer will never come back to their body anymore. You can get in touch with me. I will be more than happy to give you additional information on any specific issue you might have. You can send me an email, you can contact me through the social media or the website. I will be more than happy to help you. We need to be responsible. We humans need to be responsible for our world today, for our world we have created for ourselves, for our lives as well as everything else. The moment that the human become responsible, we can change not only our own self and our own lives, but the entire world. The world deserves better quality human, and better quality human deserve better quality of world. Let me know if you have any question or comment.